Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Michael, and what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your body's amazing healing abilities forever. In just 30 seconds, using nothing but your hands and your ears, you can activate a powerful healing response that reduces anxiety, lowers blood pressure, improves sleep, and calms your entire nervous system. This isn't some trendy wellness fad. This is ancient auricular therapy combined with modern neuroscience, and the results are absolutely remarkable. I've seen thousands of seniors experience immediate relief from stress, panic attacks, insomnia, and even chronic pain using this simple technique. Stay with me, because I'm going to teach you the exact method, explain the fascinating science behind why it works, and show you how this 30-second practice can become your most powerful tool for managing stress, anxiety, and sleep problems naturally. The hidden power center in your ears. Your ears are far more than just organs for hearing. They contain one of the most sophisticated nerve networks in your entire body, directly connected to your brain's control centers for stress, sleep, blood pressure, and emotional regulation. Ancient Chinese medicine recognized this thousands of years ago, but only recently has modern science caught up to understand exactly why ear stimulation is so incredibly powerful. Your outer ear contains over 200 acupressure points that correspond to every organ and system in your body. When you stimulate these points through gentle shaking and massage, you're sending direct signals to your brain's parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's natural relaxation and healing mode. For seniors, this is particularly important because as we age, our stress response often becomes overactive while our relaxation response becomes sluggish. This leads to chronic anxiety, poor sleep, elevated blood pressure, and that feeling of being constantly on edge that so many people over 60 experience. The science behind the magic. Let me explain exactly what happens in your body when you shake your ears. Your ears contain branches of the vagus nerve, which is your body's longest cranial nerve and the main pathway for activating your parasympathetic nervous system. When you stimulate your ears, you're essentially giving your vagus nerve a gentle wake-up call. This vagus nerve stimulation triggers an immediate cascade of healing responses throughout your body. Your heart rate slows down, your breathing deepens, your blood pressure drops. Stress hormones like cortisol decrease, and feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin increase. Research from the University of Leeds showed that ear stimulation can reduce heart rate variability by up to 25% within minutes, indicating a significant shift into the relaxation response. Studies from Harvard Medical School demonstrate that regular vagus nerve stimulation can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation markers, and improve sleep quality in older adults. The perfect 30-second technique. Now let me teach you the exact technique that's helping thousands of seniors reclaim their calm and improve their health. This method combines traditional auricular therapy with modern understanding of nerve pathways for maximum effectiveness. Start by sitting comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. Now, place your hands on either side of your head with your palms covering your ears completely. Your fingers should be pointing toward the back of your head. Begin with gentle circular motions. Using your palms, make small circles over your ears, clockwise for 10 seconds. You should feel a slight warming sensation as blood flow increases to the area. This warming is actually your nervous system beginning to shift into relaxation mode. Next, switch to gentle shaking. Keep your palms over your ears and begin to shake your hands rapidly, but gently for 10 seconds. The vibration should feel pleasant, not uncomfortable. This rapid stimulation activates multiple nerve pathways simultaneously, creating a powerful signal to your brain's relaxation centers. Finally, end with gentle pressure and release. Press your palms firmly but gently against your ears for 5 seconds. Then quickly release your hands. Repeat this pressure and release technique twice more. This creates a pumping action that enhances blood flow and nerve stimulation. The entire sequence takes exactly 30 seconds and can be repeated as often as needed throughout the day. Immediate benefits you'll experience. Most people notice effects within minutes of performing this technique. Your breathing will naturally become deeper and slower. That tight feeling in your chest that comes with anxiety will begin to release. Your heart rate will settle into a more peaceful rhythm. For seniors dealing with chronic stress or anxiety, this technique can be life-changing. Many of my patients report that they feel more centered and calm for hours after just one 30-second session. Some use it first thing in the morning to start their day with less anxiety. Others before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Why this works better than medication. Prescription anxiety medications and sleep aids often come with serious side effects, especially for seniors. Drowsiness, confusion, increased fall risk, and dependency are common problems. This ear-shaking technique provides natural anxiety and stress relief without any negative side effects. Unlike medications that take weeks to show effects, this technique works immediately because you're directly stimulating your body's own relaxation systems. You're not adding foreign chemicals to your system. You're simply reminding your nervous system how to do what it was designed to do naturally. The blood pressure connection. High blood pressure affects nearly 60% of adults over 60, and chronic stress is a major contributing factor. When you activate your parasympathetic nervous system through ear stimulation, you directly counteract the stress response that keeps blood pressure elevated. The vagus nerve stimulation from ear shaking triggers the release of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that slows heart rate and reduces the force of heart contractions. This creates an immediate blood pressure lowering effect that can last for several hours. Studies show that people who practice regular vagus nerve stimulation can reduce their systolic blood pressure by 10 to 15 points over time. For seniors managing hypertension, this natural approach can be an excellent complement to prescribed medications. Conquering insomnia. Naturally. Sleep problems plague millions of seniors, often because their nervous systems remain in a state of chronic activation even at bedtime. The ear-shaking technique is particularly effective for improving sleep because it directly addresses this nervous system imbalance. When performed 30 minutes before bedtime, this technique helps shift your body into the parasympathetic state necessary for quality sleep. Your mind stops racing, physical tension releases, and your body temperature slightly drops, all natural signals that it's time to rest. Many seniors find that combining the ear technique with gentle deep breathing creates an even more powerful sleep preparation routine. The key is consistency. Make this part of your nightly wind-down ritual for best results. Advanced variations for maximum benefit. Once you've mastered the basic 30-second technique, you can enhance its effectiveness with these advanced variations. For deeper relaxation, extend the session to 60 seconds, spending 20 seconds on each phase. For acute anxiety or panic, focus more on the gentle shaking phase, as this provides the most immediate nervous system reset. You can also combine ear shaking with specific breathing patterns. Try inhaling for 4 counts during the circular motion phase, holding for 4 counts during shaking, and exhaling for 6 counts during the pressure and release phase. This breathing integration amplifies the parasympathetic response. When and how often to use this technique? The beauty of this method is that it can be used anywhere, anytime you need quick stress relief or nervous system reset. Many seniors use it first thing in the morning to start the day with calm energy. Others before stressful situations like medical appointments or family gatherings. For chronic anxiety or sleep issues, practice the technique 3 times daily, morning, afternoon, and evening. For acute stress relief, use it as needed. There's no limit to how often you can safely perform this technique because you're simply supporting your body's natural relaxation mechanisms. The auricular therapy connection. What makes this technique so powerful is its foundation in auricular therapy, a healing practice that recognizes the ear as a microsystem representing the entire body. Each area of your ear corresponds to specific organs and body functions. When you stimulate the entire ear through shaking, You're essentially giving your whole body a therapeutic treatment. This explains why people often report improvements in areas beyond stress and sleep. Better digestion, reduced headaches, improved mood, and even pain relief are common benefits because you're supporting your body's overall self-regulation systems. Your path to lasting calm. Starting today, I want you to make this simple practice part of your daily routine. Set reminders on your phone if necessary. The key to experiencing lasting benefits is consistency, not intensity. 30 seconds done regularly is far more valuable than longer sessions done sporadically. Remember, your nervous system has incredible plasticity, meaning it can learn new patterns at any age. By regularly activating your parasympathetic response through ear stimulation, you're literally training your body to access calm and relaxation more easily. This isn't just about feeling better in the moment. This is about reclaiming control over your stress response, improving your sleep, supporting your cardiovascular health, and enhancing your overall quality of life as you age. If this simple technique has amazed you as much as it has thousands of other seniors, please share this video with someone who could benefit from natural stress relief. Subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health techniques that empower you to age gracefully and vibrantly. Your body has incredible healing wisdom. Sometimes it just needs a gentle reminder of how to access it. Start shaking those ears today and prepare to be amazed by your body's natural healing power.